Hello, friends. How are you? The days are getting longer, and I thought I'd pop in with another short story. Today's story is called Bobby's Bear is Lost. Bobby lived in an old, creaky house, the kind that made funny noises at night. Sometimes it felt a little scary, but that was okay because Bobby had Mr. Fuzzy, his trusted stuffed bear, to keep him safe. Mr. Fuzzy had been through everything with him: bedtime snuggles, scary thunderstorms, rattling windows, and even one unfortunate spaghetti incident. Tonight, the wind howled against the windows, and Bobby tucked his blanket up to his chin. He reached for Mr. Fuzzy, except Mr. Fuzzy wasn't there. Bobby sat up fast. He checked under the covers, under his pillow, on the floor. Nothing. He even peeked into his scary closet, a very brave move, considering it was extra shadowy that night. But still, no Mr. Fuzzy. His heart squeezed tight. "Mommy, Daddy, Mr. Fuzzy is gone." His parents came rushing in, eyes wide, thinking something truly terrible had happened. Once they realized it was a stuffed bear emergency, they launched a full-scale bear investigation. Mom checked the laundry basket. Nope, just stinky socks. Dad checked behind the couch. No bear, but plenty of cookie crumbs. Bobby checked the fridge. He wasn't sure why, but desperate times. They searched everywhere, but Mr. Fuzzy was nowhere to be found. Bobby's lip wobbled. What if he was lost forever? Bobby flopped back onto his bed, arms spread wide. He was never going to sleep again. And then something poked him in the back, a furry little paw. Mr. Fuzzy! He had fallen between the bed and the wall, waiting patiently to be rescued. Bobby scooped him up and hugged him tight. His parents sighed in relief. Now they could sleep too. Dad ruffled Bobby's hair. "I knew you'd find him." Bobby yawned, squeezing Mr. Fuzzy closer. "Good thing we checked the fridge, though, just in case." Tucked safely under the covers, with Mr. Fuzzy right where he belonged, Bobby's eyes fluttered close. And I hope you have a great night's sleep. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.